Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Aries, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aries and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life. Thank you. All right, Aries, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Aries, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Ace of Wands, Knight of Wands in reverse, Nine of Swords, the Sun card, Wheel of Fortune, Five of Wands, the Devil, Four of Swords, and the Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Bottom of my deck, I have the Chariot in reverse. So things are pretty stuck, Aries, even now. Things are pretty stuck. I think somebody is taking off for a brand new beginning, leaving behind somebody who created a lot of drama in their life. It's like, I can't be stressed out anymore. I am going towards my happiness, and I'm putting a spoke in that wheel of fortune. I don't want to move this along. Well, let's see. I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards, Aries. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. So Aries and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Aries and their person. Aries and their person. All right. Let's take a few more, Aries, and if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. Aries, you can reach me there. And a couple more, and then we begin our reading. Aries and their person. All right. Good to go, Aries. Let's start our reading. The first card here says, you go to bed with someone else, and your soul comes to make love to me. I know when you're with someone else, and this just makes me feel heartbroken. You should be making love to me. I'm an understanding person, and I appreciate that although we are eternally connected, we need our own space. I can't understand why you're not able to communicate that you simply need some time to process things. Instead, you ignore me, knowing that it hurts me more and more each time. Don't come back to me if you haven't leveled up. I knew all along that you had the potential to run again, but the intensity of our connection and my curiosity about it is what kept me interested in you. My boundaries are stronger now, and your old mind games will no longer be tolerated. I can't bear the thought of you being with someone else. I get so jealous. I just want you to be mine. There is a lot of jealousy. Devil card is here as well. We'll come to that. No matter how complicated this gets, I won't ever give up on you or us. Every night, I just want to be home. Home is in your arms. Recovery takes time. Please have faith in me. I have to juggle a lot of responsibility right now. And the last one here, Aries says, this situation is messy. Well, I can see that. All right, so let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you today, Aries, as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, activist. So expect some action, it seems. There is some action coming. Maybe somebody wants to take action, or I don't know. I have an Ace of Wands here as well, so expect some kind of action. Let's see. Ace of Wands spirit, what's this Ace of Wands for Aries? Ace of Wands for Aries. Ace of Wands for Aries. somebody is feeling quite foolish. They've realized I do still have a lot of passion for the other person, but there's been no communication till now. Both of you have been silent, absolutely quiet, silent, not talking to each other, and because of that, this passion seems to be dying down, Aries. That feeling of, excitement and passion when you think about your person, that could be dying down, and somebody is feeling like, well, I don't really want to have a new beginning anymore. I'm not even sure whether I feel that way towards them anymore, because they created too much drama in my life. This person was a Knight of Wands in reverse is a drama maker, a player, a person who's never consistent. Okay, so Knight of Wands, Spirit? Knight of Wands? Yes, never choosing one direction. I think this person was always blocking or trying to, never make a decision, pulled into different directions, not trying to see that there was potential in this connection. So I have a feeling one person says, hey, I'm going off for a creative, passionate new beginning for myself. This person, no, I don't even want to talk to them now. If there's so much drama, well, I don't even want to fight for this connection anymore. And doing that, I think, is setting this, whoever is deciding not to pursue this connection anymore, into better sleep, Aries. No longer stressing and worrying and waiting for their phone call or their message. It's actually kind of released some kind of burden on your mind, you or your cross watcher, whoever is the one who's no longer interested, right? So Nine of Swords, Spirit, in reverse. Yeah, so somebody has decided I don't want to work together with this person. There's too much of fighting, too much of drama. Look at this. I'm releasing this devil totally. I can't deal with all this conflict and fighting and third parties. I'd rather have a good night's sleep and take care of my skin and my sleep and just be happy. That's all I want. I want to move towards my own happiness now. So the Sun, Spirit. What's the Sun card? Yes, taking good care of yourself, Aries. Whoever this person is who's no longer fighting for this connection, this could be you, Aries, could be your cross watcher, I don't know. But somebody's gone into total self-love and being very happy doing it as well, going towards their sunshine, going towards their happiness, no longer losing sleep on somebody who never ever kind of made a decision on the connection. But Spirit, then why is the Wheel of Fortune in reverse? Why is the Wheel of Fortune in reverse? Okay, this is this person saying, I don't want to have another go around. This connection doesn't make me happy. I'm getting myself out of regret and sorrow and looking at the past and feeling bad and feeling, oh my God, why didn't this work out? Somebody is releasing this connection here, Aries. So Five of Wands. What's this Five of Wands then, Spirit? All right, now the other person has suddenly woken up, it seems, and they're realizing, I've made a very unwise decision. They're going through a tower moment, Aries. The person who's getting left behind, they're suddenly realizing that, my God, my person is no longer waiting for me. I've been dropped. This person is no longer sitting and being in hermit mode, waiting for me, feeling sad. They're getting out. And that, maybe even energetically, they're feeling, and that is kind of bothering this person big time. And they're realizing the conflict has become that big now that their world has shaken up. So what's the Devil, Spirit, then? What's the Devil? Devil? They're very worried, Aries. They're very, very worried, depressed. They're overwhelmed. And they're feeling so scared, my God. This person is going through a total dark night of the soul. They're very burdened, 10-10, both horrid 10s, by the way. The good ones are 10 of Cups and 10 of Pentacles. But this person is going through, my God, what have I done? And it's all over. They may be going through a deep depression as well. And a lot of fear. I mean, this is like being caught by the devil in a very dark place. Why? Because they've suddenly realized, I'm losing my soulmate. This realization is coming now that the other person has given up on them and released them. Now they don't know what to do. They have no clue because they have no clarity as to what to do, what to say. And now, my God, ever since the person who's leaving is pulling back, now this person is feeling left out in the cold, feeling abandoned, feeling so disappointed. 7 of Pentacles in reverse, wondering why they didn't invest when the time was right. 7 of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. 7 of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, they feel they've been judged by the universe, by their person. This is bad karma. 2 cards, Wheel of Fortune and Judgment in reverse is somebody getting a big karmic slap, literally. This person is going through something else. One more, Spirit, for the 7 of Pentacles. Oh, their bad karma is that their person is in an extremely good place. They're moving on to a stable brand new beginning, moving towards their own 10 of Pentacles, and their bad karma is that they are not getting a chance to even apologize or even speak their emotions, which they never have been able to, and they are losing their 4 of Wands. Wow. And that's the reason the Chariot is in reverse. This person has been watching and they have been getting their downloads, whether through their dreams or whether their intuition or energetically or through friends and family. This person knows that, what do they know? That they've been dropped, right? Okay, so let me take one more for the Chariot in reverse, Spirit. Why was our overall energy the Chariot in reverse? Because things have gone a totally wrong direction. Somebody is feeling, they don't want to end this connection, Aries, but they know that this, again, I'm ending again with the 7 of Pentacles in reverse. They know that they never did give equal give and take. There is no chance of reconciliation now, and this person is hugely disappointed because why? Now there is no chance. They've been blocked now. So the person who was waiting earlier is the person who's taking action towards their own life. Okay? And releasing this past person. So yes, Queen of Wands, upright. Taking charge of their own life. That's all I have for you, Aries. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.